Get ready to meet one of the most surprising automotive revivals of the year, the all-new 2025 Subaru 360 van. This little box of brilliance is more than just a throwback. It's a bold reimagination of a classic microvan with modern flair, quirky charm, and cutting-edge engineering that sets it miles apart in today's compact van segment. From the moment you lay eyes on it, the 2025 Subaru 360 van captures attention with its retro-modern styling. It features rounded LED headlamps, a minimalist front grille, and sculpted panels that echo the original 360's DNA while presenting a clean, futuristic vibe. The short overhangs and upright design make it perfect for navigating tight urban streets, yet it still turns heads wherever it goes. Under the hood, this compact wonder is powered by a 660cc turbocharged three-cylinder engine paired with a hybrid assist system, delivering zippy performance while maximizing fuel efficiency. Don't be fooled by its size. The 360 van's low center of gravity and all-wheel drive setup provide surprisingly agile handling and rock-solid stability. It glides through traffic with ease and confidence, offering a driving experience that's not only fun, but incredibly smooth and refined for its category. Inside, Subaru has packed a ton of innovation into this tiny cabin. The 2025 360 van features a bright digital cockpit, a floating touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto and smart voice assistant integration. There's ambient lighting, dual-zone climate control, and even heated front seats, something you'd rarely expect in a microvan. Every detail inside has been designed for comfort, convenience, and a splash of joy, with clever storage spaces, foldable rear seats, and a panoramic glass roof that opens up the cabin like never before. With Subaru's commitment to safety, reliability, and now a whole lot of personality, the 2025 360 van is not just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle statement.